All right. All right. Hello. Ayan. Am I audible, class? Malinaw po. Malinaw naman. Alright. Sige, sige. So, ipipresent ko na ha. Alright. So, I have these clarifications of what we have done last meeting class. No? As you can see, mayroon po siyang open loop, no? Parang open states, no? But then, of course, this is a form of more machine, and we wanted to, sorry. This is a, what do you call this? Meli. This is a Meli machine. Sorry, Meli machine pala ito. Alright. This is a Meli machine class, and we wanted to create this or just to convert this into a more machine. Alright? So, take note ha. So, take note pa tayo. So, notice, mapapansin natin na we started from Q sub 1. So, let's say this is your Q sub 1, and this would be started. Okay. So, what would be our input class, by the way? What would be our input? 0 and 1. And then our output is 0 and 1 as well. All right. So if we have this Q sub 1, all right, with an input of 0, all right, goes to Q sub 1. So with an input of 0, right, 0 goes to Q sub 1, and the output must be 0. Okay po. Nasundan? Nasundan po, class? Naintindihan? Everyone? All right. Then we have this Q1. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. All right. So we already have this 0. Now let's do have for our. 1 as their input, no? Okay, so let's say 1 goes to Q2, so this would be your Q2. All right, Q2. All right. So this is where Q1 goes to Q2 with an input of 1 and its output must be 0. Okay tayo ha? So, okay. Next, we have this Q2 with an input of 0 with an output of 1 goes to itself. So, since it's a Q2, the output is 1, this is 0, it could not be. So, we have to extend. So, extend Q2, all right, with an output of 1. Right. So, with an input of 0. Alright, okay na tayo. So, okay na tayo ha. Next. Next. So, we have this Q2. Alright. 0, 1, 0. Q2 with 1 as their input. Ito yung 1. Alright, 1 as their input goes to Q3. Okay, so, goes to Q3. So, from Q2 with an input of 1. Alright. Goes to Q3 with an output of 0. Alright. So, meaning we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now, Q3. Q3 goes to, okay, with an input of 0, Q3 goes to Q2. So, with an output of 0. So, since we have this Q2 and then output of 0, so possible pwede po siyang ilagay. 0. Alright. Next, Q3. So, we have your Q3 with an input of 1 goes to Q3. However, Q3 has already an output of 0. So, therefore, we have to extend. Alright. You have your Q3 with an output of 1. Alright. And this would be your 1. Alright. Okay na. Now, naka-open. So, we have this open. Alright. So, Q2 and Q3 are open. So, then of course, our reference must be on the Q2. All right, reference must be on the Q2. Take note. If we have this 0 as their input, Q2 goes to itself with an output of 1. So, meaning Q2 to itself having its output of 1. So, same. So, we can loop this. Then we have our input of 0. So, nag-close na siya. Now, we have our input 0. How about 1? 1 goes to yung Q2 natin with an input of 1 goes to Q3 with an output of 0. Q3 output of 0, ito po yun. Alright? So, from here, okay, ikot tayo. So, ito po siya. Q2 with an input of 1 goes to Q3. Okay, with an input of 1. Okay, close. How about Q3? Q3 with an input of 1. Alright, ha? So, meron na tayong Q3. Alright, so wait lang. So, you have Q2 with an input of 1. Okay na. So, we have this Q3. Q3 with an input of 0. Q3 with an input of 0 goes to Q2, output 0. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung Q2, ito yung output na 0. Q3 must be go here with an input of 0. Right? Kasi Q3 goes to Q2 with an output of 0 and the input must be 0. Then, of course, the last is Q3 with an input of 1. Kasi Q3 with an input of 1 must goes to itself with an output of 1. So, from here, possible, it could be to itself. And this would be your 1. So, ito po yung magiging diagram natin out of this melee machine. This time, this is now your more machine. What do you observe, class? Right. What did you observe? Sige nga. I want to take your biggest na idea about this. Ano kaya ang napansin natin? Why, if we have this smelly machine, its diagram look like this. Ano yung kaibahan nito as compared to dito? Ano kaya sa tingin natin ang difference? Bakit kaya lumabas na out of this state, it makes this diagram parang dumami ang states? Meaning, class, more to Melly, take note more to Melly, number of states were same. Alright? So, more to Melly, ibig sabihin, the number of states were same. But of course, Melly to more, the number of states increases. If we have these three as their states, this time we have our 5 states. And this would be your difference, no, as to your more machines. All right? So mayroon na tayong from Melly machine. So we have this more machine. You also have this Melly machine. All right? So question, class. Question. Sige, not so far ha. Sigurado ha. All right. Sige. Pag wala po kayong tanong, class, okay. So, ngayon, magbibigay po ako ng inyong assessment ha for your third assessment. But then, this would be posted in a while. No, I'm just doing it. So, that is why, if you have any questions, we have to have our online again quiz regarding dito at saka yung cover to cover from the last meeting. This already be served as your tawag nito, reviewer. Alright? So, there's no doubt na hindi po tayo makapasa. It's because every time that we have our quiz class, we take it cover to cover. So, if you have any questions, you just feel free. Alright? So, may tanong pa po. Sigurado ha, klaro na po to ha. Take note ha, there is no such, wala siyang open na states. No? Naka-close. So, that's it. Sige. Wala ang tanong, so hindi ko muna kayo disturbuhin para sa inyong gagawin, but then you have to review. It's because cover to cover po inyong quiz po. At saka gagawin po siya and I will give you ample time to do it. Maybe this would be until tomorrow. Alright? So, preparing for the posting. I-inform ko na lang po kayo. Okay, starting with Agbulos, please. Wala, absent. Akinta. Wala, Arnais.
Tarsis po, Agbulos.
Agbulos. Wala na. Arnais. Avenue.
Present, sir.
Avila. Wala. Sa daming absent. Baredo. Botona. Bragas.
Present po.
Bunyol.
Present po, sir.
Caballero. Canlas.
Present po.
De Castro.
Present po.
Dullavin. Estrada. Fuentes. Gahumay.
Present. Fuentes po, present.
Gaurana.
Gaurana present po.
Hinilaso. Herojas. Giliena.
Present po.
Hernandez. Huwit.
Sir, present po.
Lorico.
Present po, Lorico.
Malatan.
Present po.
Malate.
Present po.
Malto.
Present po.
Mangoba. Mangoba. Manrique.
Present po, sir.
Mapanaw.
Present po, sir.
Marmeto. Mendoza. Milyores. Milflores.
Flores po, sir. Present po.
Mendoza, wala. Napili.
Present po, sir.
We
Present po.
have Navarro.
Present po.
We have Nerviol.
Present po.
Obina. Ocali.
Present, sir.
Oliveros.
Present po, sir.
Arcon.
Parcon, present po.
Fontipedra. Kilaw.
Present po,
Present po, sir.
Isana.
Present po.
Rait.
Present po, sir.
Ribadulia.
Present po.
Riquilias.
Present po, sir.
Sakdalan. Yes po. Sakdalan.
Present, sir.
Salgado. Santiago.
Present, sir.
We have this Sarcela.
Present po.
Sarmiento.
Present po.
Silvestre.
Present po, sir.
We have this Santa Ana.
Present po.
Torres.
Present po, sir.
Pillardo. Wala. So, Mendoza, saan po kayo galing, sir?
Sir, may ginawa lang po. Nag-CR lang po.
Sige po. How about Avila po? Parang layo nyo na po, ma'am.
Nag-end po yung call, sir. Napindot po. Sorry po.
Grabe, pinindot mo agad. Di pa tayo tapos eh. We have this, Mendoza, Avila. Wala na, no? No more?
Dulyabin pa po, sir.
Dulyavin. Who else?
Hindi po.
Okay. Meaning to say, class, yung absence lang. Okay, absence for this afternoon class, we have Aquinta, followed by Arnaiz, Beredo, and Batona po, no? Followed by Caballero, and Estrada, Hinilaso, and Herodias, and also Hernandez. So, we have also Mangoba, Marmeto, and Obina, followed by Salgado, and Villardo po, no? So, this is February 22 of 2025. All right. So don't worry about class, no. So the reasons why, so ito lang ni-review ko lang kayo. It's because I'll give you your assessment and I'll give you ample time to do it. Why? The reasons why I gonna give you ample time, it's because looking at the result class, no, I already returned the results, so please check na lang po. If you have any questions for that, magsabi na po kayo, ha. So transmutations will save, mag-serve siya sa inyo na siya yung ating equivalent, no, para tingnan nyo kung pasado po kayo for your quizzes po. Alright? So, kaya ko siya binibigay para kayo rin po mismo ay magko-compute po. Hindi po ako lang po isa nagko-compute para pag nagbigayan po tayo ng quiz, pag nagbigayan po tayo ng grade for the midterm, so alam nyo na po yung magiging grade nyo. And then of course, we have to partner that into your finals. Once you, if I already give 100% on your finals, and the results still be below 75, so that's the time you already be failed for my subject. All right. So then of course attendance would be 10%. So that is why I already monitored po ang inyong ang inyong attendance. Yes po, Marmeto.
Sir, tanong ko lang po, sir, kung nag-attendance po.
Ha, sir? Yun lang po, sir. Tanong natin, sir, Marmeto.
Opo. Magbantay po ako sa tindahan eh.
Kaya pala gusto niyo ng ng online class, ha? So there would be possibility pala nangyayari na you are not in your area class. Parang mayroon kayong ginagawa. Alright?
Kaya nagtitinda lang po ako. Marami po nabili.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Ito po. 10 po.
Wag na, sir. Okay na, sir. Baka pa may makabili pa ako dyan, eh. Alright. Sige, class, no? All you have to do is just to open your cam. So, let's do now. Alright, then I will be doing your assessment po. Alright, so kasi naman sa gagawa ako tapos kayo ay nandiyan. So much better, you will going to do your activity and of course, I will going my activity as well. Tapos po ay mag-announce na po kayo kung ready na po yung quiz natin. Alright, so keep safe everyone and have a nice day. So keep safe and good luck everyone. Thank you.